Hi guys. Today I'm playing baby in yellow. Hope this baby never scares me. Waiting moment. Before we hit 30 for subs, I just wanna thank to all you guys. Please can sub and like before this timer got to 100%. Look how this she comes.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
English.
Color.
Red.
Food. Chicken.
Chicken.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead. The prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
I found a secret garden,
Said the cat with much delight. Excitedly they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
Look at the pretty trees.
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
Look at the colorful flowers.
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
Good.
Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look.
But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
What a mistake I made.
The cat cried out. I should never have brought him here.
Means they physical. This annoying baby.
So creepy.